So today we're going to be doing a video on removing an old Gainsborough SE shower and fitting one of the new Gainsborough Duo showers. To begin, we're to remove the front cover. Now before removing the front cover, it is important to isolate the power and the water supply to the shower. Now we'll remove the cable connections. So the Duo shower is suitable for push fit and with compression fit. So what I'm going to do is pop my compression fit on, making sure that it's nice and tight using your grips and adjustable. And then finally, just ensure the cover lines up and using the 4 fixing points, fit your new cover on the shower. And there we have it, retrofitting one of the old Gainsborough SE showers for one of the new Gainsborough Duo showers.